Alright, so I'm going to make things pretty simple for you guys in terms of setting up a strategy. So I'm going to show you guys how to still enter it in, but it's easier just to give you guys a template and then it'll just pretty much all be done for you. But I'm going to put the template in here. So on Facebook, you should be added to the Forex resource group. Or if I could decide to create a website, which more than likely I'm going to do pretty soon, it'll all just be on there and you'll be able to just download it. But yeah, I have a couple templates in here already. I have a couple of indicators in here, but I will add more stuff in there pretty soon. But the strategy I'm going to show you for now is just the Supertrend Elite. Supertrend Elite. Actually, it's best to just show you guys that one. This is just the Parabolic Sar. You can just go in here and literally get it, but it's not really mandatory that you get that one, considering you have this one, which is the rising sun indicator. um, how to add the rising sun indicator as well as the zigzag buy and sell. You just go to custom zigzag buy and sells right there. And we literally just saw that in the file section of the group. 4x 2010 is the rising sun indicator. But as far as adding the extra stuff, all you gotta do for lines, all you gotta do is just go to insert, indicators, trend, and point and moving averages. The red one, all you gotta, well, the blue one first. Right click it, it's 24 exponential open aqua. The yellow one, it's 10 exponential open, and I just put it as yellow. The red one, 5 exponential open in red. And then I add the blue one, the dark blue one, 200 exponential close and in dark blue. This is a strategy you can input on your phone, but I will make a separate one for the phone because it's going to be a bit different. And when you add these two charts in, they may be a little bit different. You may have to input it in yourself, so I'm going to show you what to actually put in. So if you want to change any of the colors, here it is. Inputs, here it is. All you obviously got to do is just double click it if you want to change it. And stochastic, right click, levels 80, 50, 20. Colors, I majority put it white, white, green for the top, red for the bottom. 14, 3, 5. But yeah, you kind of get the setup. But with this strategy, it's more of a long-term strategy, but you can use it for short-term if you would like. But you want to look for crossovers. You want all three lines to meet. Like the red and the yellow, if it's under the blue one, it tends to be uh um a sell. The trend it tends to be a downtrend. Overall, that's what the dark blue line is for as well. Like if it's all under the dark blue line, it's more than likely a strong sell. If it's above the dark blue, it's a strong buy. But at the same time, if it's above the light blue, it's a buy as well. But yeah, notice how it crosses over, and then you could have caught all those pips. Hold on. Let me zoom in a bit more. Okay. For example, about right here. it crossed down. It didn't really do much, but overall they all met and it came down here. It did the same thing over here as some verification, and at the same time it kind of showed it a little bit here, another cross. Right here, actually. That's not the best one. The best one to look for is around the 80. If it's above the 80 and about crossing around here, that's the perfect time to sell. Around here, if it crosses above the 20, perfect time to buy. But at this point, it crossed over, and it crossed over here as well. And it took its time, but it was selling. It came over, it sold. Right here, it came down, crossed over, crossed over, crossed over. And right here, it's crossing over here. It didn't right here, but I'm pretty confident it's going to keep going up. Especially if you combine support and resistance. Not to mention, you're looking at this signal here. It says buy. The arrow's pointing up. The rising sun is right here at a strong point. It's going to keep going. How to add these indicators, the templates, all you got to do is just click on data folder, file data folder, and then you just click on templates. If you want to add the indicators, just click on MQL4 indicators and then just copy and paste it in here. So yeah, that's all you're really literally doing. Pretty simple. But yeah, that's all I'm really doing. I'm just, with this strategy, like I said, look for crossovers. I verify it with all the charts. I use the rising sun indicator because it verifies that it's a buy. And then I kind of just look for selling opportunities, the best selling opportunities with, if there's a signal up here and a crossover. But like I said, you want to verify it. You don't want to like take high risks, but look for good confirmation so you can get the best opportunity. But also take advantage of support and resistance. Use trend lines as well. There's more strategies than just this to actually give you the most success with your trading.